Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Blue Line Garage. Actually, it's not another episode, it's the first episode of my garage rebuild update, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to basically go down what's going down. Alright, so I've been planning for a long time to put a loft in my shop. Now, the reason why I want to put a loft in my shop is because I have a lot of personal storage up here against the wall, and it's taking up a lot of valuable space on the floor, okay? And it's starting to get a little cramped in here. I'm starting to have multiple vehicles. I'm starting to work on multiple vehicles at the same time, and it's just getting way too crowded in my shop. I'm starting to bang into things, so I want my floor plan a lot wider. So I want to build a loft. So that's what this episode is about, is I'm going to show you what I'm going to be getting built in my shop, and then I'm going to show you a time-lapse video of it being built. So that's actually pretty cool. And that's about it. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing here. So this is basically the back of my shop, and I'm going to be getting a loft built from the back to the front 15 feet. So it's going to be 20 by 15 out forward. Okay, staircase is basically going to go alongside that back wall down, so I'd be able to come from that doorway. I'd be able to climb up, and inside, on top of the loft, is going to be storage, as well as a few tables, so I could work on some private stuff that I, for cars or car materials or parts that I don't want to get damaged, like bumpers I take off cars, fenders, things like that, things that are already painted, I don't want to get damaged, which is going to be going up there. So the floor is going to go underneath the window right above the doorway, and it's just basically going to come all the way out between those two windows. Exactly between those two windows is 15 feet back, and the height from the floor to the ceiling of the loft, I believe, is 8 feet, 8 and 9 feet, and then another 9 feet from the ceiling to the floor of the loft. And on top of the loft as well, I'm going to be having a couch, coffee table, TV, lounge area, cigar area, whatever you call it. So pretty much that's what's going on. Now, during the build, I'm basically going to let you guys know who's building this loft, because I know a lot of my subscribers are from Arizona. And if this is something that you want to do, I'm going to basically tell you the guy that'd be able to do it. Awesome price. The only thing that sucks right now is the lumber prices are through the roof, okay? Which sucks, because a job like this could have been so much cheaper than what it is. But I don't want to point fingers, but, he knows who he is, who's raising up lumber taxes, all right? You voted for him, so you figure it out. But other than that, it's going to be a great upgrade. A lot of new things are coming up to the shop. I got a lot of new equipment coming in. I'm also going to be putting in basically a 4-post car lift in this area where the Jaguar is in. So once the loft comes in, I'm going to put the post from the loft out to the door. So this way I'd be able to put a car on the lift, get the car up, drive underneath the lift, and I could actually pull up underneath the loft, do some more work there, and then pull up another car underneath the lift. So I could actually get 3 cars under here. So that's actually pretty cool. I'd be able to get more cars in here, do a lot more work, and that's pretty much it. So I'm going to stop recording now, and the guys are going to come in the morning, about 7:30 in the morning, and I'm going to start filming then. So stay tuned. All right, so the goal here, yeah, I know my hair is a mess. The goal here is to pull the car up underneath my loft here. And it's kind of rough, even trying to have people push the car in there. We really don't want the body panels to be pushed so hard. It causes a dent. So I'm actually gonna put a strap on the car and then to my little scooter here. And then I'm gonna see if I can pull it up slowly. The wheels are free rolling, except for this, that I got some blocks. And I had skates on all the tires, but all the wheels are not facing the correct way, which makes it harder to push. So I figured let me just drop the car on wheels and go from there. So let me go ahead and do that. All right, so that didn't work. The back tire just spun. So what I'm thinking, I know the I know the back wheels are loose. So I'm gonna check a few things, and then maybe if I get like 1 or 2 people to push from behind as I'm using the moped, it should work. So little by little, I guess, but I need to get the car underneath the loft so I can at least start clearing out my storage, putting it on top of the loft, and clearing out the area so I can get the lift put in here and installed. I can't install the lift with the car like this. I actually have to have it all the way underneath the loft to get the lift installed, but quite entertaining, if you ask me. All right, so that should be it for this video. I'm gonna show you a little bit around what I need to do left. I still got a lot to do left, and let me just show you what's going on. So I got a lot of this storage out here. I got this cleaned up here. I still got to figure out what I need to do back here with my 2 shoving units, because I do like them. So this one has all my cleaning supplies, some of my fluids, things like that. I kind of want to keep that, and then maybe like set something up on each shelf. But it's too much far in, so I don't know if I'm going to set that up on the. I can't really have it up on the loft, but I don't know, maybe somewhere else. And here has all my electronics. So that I'll probably end up pushing over a lot more, probably all the way to the end. And then my toolbox over here is a lot of stuff I gotta do. But my main thing is I have all this other things here I have to get rid of. I already got rid of a lot of stuff, and I already brought a lot of stuff up in the loft, which I'm gonna go up there in a second and show you guys around a little bit. That's my little junior her right there. But again, I'm just trying to gather all this stuff, bring it upstairs. I haven't had a chance to organize too much upstairs yet, but it's coming along. What's going on up here? What, are you hiding? You gonna say hi to my subscribers? No? You're not gonna say anything? What are you doing over here? Are you making a castle? Is this where you go when I'm screaming for you?
Stop.
So this is what it looks like from up above. Looks great. I can't wait to clean all this stuff out, because then I'll get the lift in here and it's gonna look even better. But there's still a lot of cleaning to do. This stuff here, I have to organize in a particular way, just because they're not like this, straight up containers. So there's still a lot more containers I gotta put together, line it up just like this alongside this wall. So there's still a lot to do, but we're getting it done, surely. Make sure you watch after this video. I'm gonna put some bloopers in at the end while working in the garage. And that's it. So if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe. If you don't like it, still like and subscribe. But other than that, I'll be posting another video later on. Maybe like a loft part 2, where everything is completely cleaned out and we're ready for the lift. But there's a lot of changes coming. I like it. I just been having some medical stuff going on lately, and it's been slowing me down. So Other than that, peace out. Working on a Rico Chat off-road body armor for underneath the ATV, UTV. I think that's how you say it. Rico Chat, whatever. I don't know. Rico Chat. I don't know. I'm trashing the name here pretty badly, but it's an off-road armor basically.